This is a Guinness float, right? Guinness with ice cream and chocolate sauce. And you might be thinking, what the heck? But it is pretty good. We just tried a few, and we're going to test a bunch in the kitchen there. We're going to show you some other beers too, and see how they go with each beer. Let's see which one tastes the best. But right now, what we got here is, look at that nice dark Guinness in there, and ice cream and chocolate sauce. Give that a little mix in there.
This is actually surprisingly famous.
Yeah,
I've heard about
I've
it.
never even heard of it.
many, many times. Very good.
It is good. Yeah, it's good. What do you got?
Well, obviously we got the original, which is how the recipe is and how I've had it before. Guinness, right?
Right.
And this is what everyone makes it with. But we thought, you know what? Why just Guinness? So we're gonna try a local Japanese beer here, Sapporo, which is probably the most famous Japanese beer outside of Japan.
Although I never drink it.
Although to be honest with you guys, this is not the most popular beer in Japan. Asahi Super Dry is, if you've ever had that. But Sapporo's done a really good job of marketing outside of Japan, and hence this is the most popular beer outside of Japan.
Yeah.
And then we thought, you know what, why don't we try something else? And we looked at IPAs, and we almost got a different IPA, but then said, hey, you know, Kevin, let's get the Brewdog. I love this IPA.
Yeah, I've never had it, so this is gonna be me trying it today.
This is one of my all-time favorite IPAs. I think it's California beer. I looked up in the past, but it's American IPA.
Look at this. Punk IPA. I mean, I just love that. And fiercely defiant and independent. All right.
Beautiful.
Okay, so we're gonna try we're gonna go with this first, right?
Yeah, of course.
All right, let's crack one, and all we do is we're gonna add into. We got 2 glasses happening here. Maybe shake this little ball, right? Yeah. So we get that little foamy head on there.
That's right.
Which we love to have. Whoa! All right.
A little too much, but
not too bad.
We'll do it Japanese style. Japanese style, one person pours and the other person holds the.
Helps if I hold it the right way, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We want to leave some room for ice cream.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is going to be really interesting. I've never had ice cream with beer before.
A little more balanced here.
There you go. Yeah, okay. All right, so we got a big tub. You can actually get, sometimes you can't get these big tubs of ice cream, but we can get this one of our local places that can get it from. So rather than the little 1 cups that we usually get, we're going for the big today. The little girl at the store was quite shocked, wasn't she? Look at all the ice cream you're buying.
There was a little girl who actually asked us, why are you guys buying such a huge ice cream?
Get out of there. Hang on, where's my spoon? Where's my spoon? Oh, it's way over there. Okay. See, stuck with it. That's why I got some hot water here. And we just you hit the scoop with hot water and it works a bit better. Alright. Yeah, that works better. Probably should have hit it again before I did this one. Okay. Alright. And then what we do? We're gonna add some chocolate sauce on?
That's right.
Alright.
They say 2 teaspoons.
Teaspoons, you know.
We're not going to be that accurate here.
We're going to go with...
yeah, that's enough.
That looks nice, doesn't it? Yeah. I like chocolate. Sorry, I took your spoon.
That's all right. Yeah, I'll get yours.
Yeah, mine's over there. Alright. Okay.
Probably push it down a little bit.
Yeah. Get in there a bit.
Get in there, yeah.
Okay. Ooh. Well, I'm gonna have a little taste of that.
Although I've heard about this, let's say I'm a big beer drinker, I've never actually tried it.
Well,
cheers, kanpai in Japanese.
Kanpai.
Cheers is kanpai in Japanese. Quite tasty.
Okay, so I'm getting a hit of the Guinness, and then every once in a while a little sweet from the ice cream. It's pretty good.
This is pretty good.
Dessert Guinness.
It sounds actually gross, but it's actually quite tasty.
Alright.
A beer float, basically.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Guinness float. And next we're going to try IPA float and Sapporo float. Alright. Well,
this is actually quite tasty.
We'll be back in a second with the next one. Right now, we're going to finish these off.
Very, very good. I'm actually shocked at how good this is.
So what are we doing next?
We're in Japan. I think you guys want to see if it goes to Japanese beer. So this one I mean, that's a stout beer. This is more of a Pilsner. So,
All right.
we'll see. It's like a lager. It says lager. Sorry, lager.
A lager? Okay,
lager.
let's see what's like with a lager.
Alright.
It was nice with the Guinness, because the Guinness was just, well, you know how creamy Guinness is anyways, right? So, and it was just that little bit of bitter Guinness undertone, and then the sweet from the ice cream. And I used to talk about a recipe. You don't really need a recipe. Fill a glass up with the beer, put a couple scoops of ice cream in, pour some chocolate sauce on it. It's pretty simple.
Yeah,
couldn't get much easier.
Yeah, I can't get much easier than that. Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
The ice cream's starting to melt.
Yep. Make it easier for.
Exactly. This is quite different. See how look at the color.
Yeah, the color is
could really show up.
Completely different.
Come on.
Probably need another scoop.
Yeah, I think so.
Gonna get my sugar rush today.
Definitely. Definitely get ice cream
With chocolate.
today. I haven't had this much ice cream for a long time.
Neither have I, actually. I eat only a little bit of ice cream and that's it. Once a week, maybe.
Yeah.
That's alright.
Summer, need a little bit more. We need it here in summer sometimes.
It's hot, yeah. If you've ever been to Japan, it's hot in summer.
Tell me when.
That's probably good.
Good? Alright.
I mean, the recipe said 2 teaspoons, so.
Yeah.
Is that about a teaspoon?
Yeah, it's about a teaspoon. That's only about half a teaspoon.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they put a lot of chocolate on the recipe, don't they?
Okay, let's put a little more.
Okay, a little bit more, sure.
They said 2 teaspoons.
Actually, I think that's a little bit heavy because, well, it depends on how much chocolate you like. I like a lot of chocolate.
Okay.
But we ended up with a lot of chocolate at the bottom of the glass on the last
Whoa.
one. So.
Sorry, I'm
Yeah, that's okay. It wipes up.
spilling all over Kevin's studio.
Okay.
Bad guess.
Definitely lager taste. I've not had a Sapporo for, God, years. I'm a Kirin guy.
Interesting. I don't think that
Yeah, not quite as good as the last one. Yeah.
the beer is not strong enough. The beer doesn't have a strong. The beer doesn't have a strong enough full flavor to work well with the ice cream. Just
Oh,
so.
okay. Yeah, so now we're seeing that better with Guinness, definitely. So I would say probably any dark beer.
Yeah, I
Guinness or a
guess
stout or...
IPA's darker, stronger taste than.
yeah, we'll see what that was like.
But I have to say, I love Sapporo. This is actually one of my favorite beers. I drink Sapporo all the time, but mixing it with ice cream and chocolate, I would not recommend this.
Yeah, so lagers are out. Okay,
In fact, I'm just gonna dump it.
let's see what comes up next. So we're back for our third one, and this is going to be the IPA.
The IPA.
I think this is going to be better than the lager.
Okay, so we
I don't think
got
it's going to be as good as the Guinness, but we'll see.
the Guinness. This dark beer definitely worked. A stout type beer.
Yeah.
The lager, I didn't want to bag on Sapporo, but it just doesn't fit. Although I love Sapporo. But let's try this one. This is an IPA. Punk IPA as we talked about a second ago. Let's see how this does.
Bring it on.
Maybe you won't put as much. Save this one for after.
Yeah, after all this hard work, we need to drink some more beer to cool down.
Exactly. You know.
All right.
It's like I need another beer to recover from all my beer drinking. It's like I need a vacation to recover from my vacation.
Oh, I've had vacations like that. You come back after, but oh man, I need some time off now.
Partied so hard or work, played so hard during your vacation, you're exhausted.
Exactly. Now, Rick always comes back exhausted because we go hiking just about every day when we go to Switzerland. She's like, I can't wait to go home now.
That's funny. That's classic.
All right, there we go.
And then we need the chocolate sauce.
Chocolate sauce down.
By the way, it occurred to me, we're testing out different beers, but why not caramel sauce, for example?
Because I don't have any here right now. I don't know what happened to my caramel sauce. I used to have some.
I think caramel sauce could actually work quite well.
I think it would go because, caramelly taste, right?
Yeah.
There we go.
Alright, beautiful. I don't know if I would do strawberry or blueberry.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry. Strawberry or blueberry with beer?
No, but caramel, I'm pretty sure would work.
Oh. When you push it down, it does that react, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh, you almost spilled it. Okay.
Yeah, I almost did your trick.
He almost kicked me out of the studio in between the last bit because we're spilling.
Make sure I guess someone does.
I'm joking.
Like I never do that, right?
Yeah, he was telling me stories about lights falling and his blender exploding during videos. Those are interesting. Cheers. How was it?
It's good. Yeah, I still think the Guinness is the best,
I like this one. No, I like this one.
but this is good. Yeah,
This is good.
Nice.
This has got a good, like a creamy taste.
Okay, so an IPA that passes the test.
Yeah, this is really good. In fact, I love it. I really like this one. In fact, maybe I like this one equally to the Guinness one.
Okay, all right. No, I'm going to go first the Guinness, second the IPA, and not at all with Sapporo.
Okay.
Sorry, Sapporo, but
Yeah.
I mean, this is great for drinking, but not for like. I like a lager, but not like
No,
this.
I love Sapporo. Don't get me wrong. I drink Sapporo every single week. In fact, I have one of those Amazon subscriptions for Sapporo and Abyss coming to my house. So I'm a massive Sapporo fan. We gotta get 24 cans of each one of them a month coming to our house. So but both and Abyss also made by Sapporo. But so it's not a Sapporo bagging thing, but it just doesn't work with ice cream and chocolate.
Are you
But
Sapporo's? You happy now?
this one is really good.
It's good. Yeah. All right, guys. So I would say give it a try, especially the Guinness or the IPA. Give it a try. Just fill a glass up with beer. Leave enough room for your ice cream on top. Throw in some vanilla ice cream. Pour some chocolate sauce over top, or hey, I said before, try it with some caramel sauce too, and enjoy.
Yep.
I think it's gonna be a great summer drink.
I think any full, strong tasting beer. The difference between this Sapporo and Guinness is that
Full
the
taste.
Guinness and the Punk IPA are very full beer, like very strong taste, like a wheat beer or something like that. Could definitely work.
All right.